Good morning. Welcome to Medical News Roundup March 23, 26. Introduction and the big headline: a new era for cancer treatment. Start with the FDA's massive move for lymphoma patients. The news: the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has officially approved nivolumab, Opdivo, in combination with chemotherapy, AVD, for both adults and children, 12+, with previously untreated stage 3 or 4 classical Hodgkin lymphoma. Why it matters: this shifts the standard of care. Trial showed significantly improved progression-free survival compared to previous gold standard treatments. It's a major win for precision oncology. The diabetes revolution: generic semaglutide and patent cliff. The news: a massive patent cliff hit over the weekend, March 21st. In India, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories just launched Obida, the first DCGI-approved generic semaglutide injection. Impact: prices are plummeting. What used to cost 11,000 Indian rupees is now hitting shelves for as low as 3,000 to 4,200 Indian rupees per month. The trend: with over 50 generic brands expected to launch, this democratizes GLP-1 weight loss and diabetes drugs, making them accessible to millions who couldn't afford them before. Tech and AI: the smart medical revolution. The news: recap of the most impressive health tech from recent industry showcases. Must-watch tech. NAOX Wave EEG headphones, wireless headphones that monitor brain activity during sleep and work to estimate the biological age of your brain. Withings Body Scan 2, a health laboratory scale that measures 60 biomarkers, including muscle mass and cardiovascular health, in just 90 seconds. SkinSight Patch, a sensor-packed patch developed with MIT that monitors skin aging 24/7 and predicts where wrinkles will form before they appear. AI update: Microsoft's Copilot Health and Lenovo's Kyra AI are moving from chatbots to health agents, integrating data from your wearables to give real-time diet and exercise coaching. New research: ADHD, stress, and weightless remission. ADHD discovery: a new study in the Journal of Neuroscience found that ADHD brains exhibit sleep-like activity patterns, slow waves, even while the person is wide awake. This explains why traditional focus techniques often fail. Diabetes breakthrough: new research published in Nature Medicine shows that prediabetes reversal is possible without losing weight. The secret? Fat distribution. Shifting fat from the abdomen, visceral, to the subcutaneous areas can normalize blood sugar even if the scale doesn't move. Mental health: a new study confirms a 70% drop in depression symptoms for students following a strict keto diet, highlighting the gut-brain connection. Global health initiatives: World TB Day 2026. The news: tomorrow is World Tuberculosis Day, March 24th. India's Health Minister J.P. Nadda is launching the TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan 100 Days campaign. Goal: the mission aims to use a new TB Mukt Bharat app and urban ward initiatives to achieve a TB-free nation ahead of global targets. Access: the government has also expanded tribal healthcare access under the National Health Mission, deploying more mobile units to remote areas. Rapid-fire updates and conclusion. Schizophrenia: scientists have discovered a new biomarker for cognitive symptoms, opening doors for targeted drug therapy. Eating disorders: a new study links excessive smartphone use to a spike in eating disorders among young adults. FDA pipeline: keep an eye on zilganersen. The FDA just granted it priority review for Alexander disease, a rare and fatal neurological condition. Give your life a soundtrack. Your brain gets a mental workout when you stream your favorite playlist. Not only can listening to music help you feel more alert, but it also can boost your memory and mood. One reason is that there's a math to music and how one note relates to the other. Your brain has to work to make sense of this structure. This is especially true for music you're hearing for the first time. WebMD. A sugar solution placed in the mouth before a needle insertion likely curbs newborn's pain, according to a new Cochrane review. The finding, combined with a 2023 Cochrane review and others, suggests that the long-standing practice now has enough evidence to be standardized across hospitals and used as a gold standard in clinical trials, the researchers said. Medscape. Mental health and substance use care among physicians. 1 in 10 physicians sought mental health or substance use care over a recent 19-year period, with demand rising sharply during the early years of the COVID-19 pandemic, new research showed. The increase in mental health and substance use care among physicians during the pandemic outpaced the rise seen in the general population. The greatest increases in visits involved care for anxiety disorders and adjustment reactions, patterns the researchers believe may reflect both heightened emotional burden and reduced stigma around seeking care during the pandemic. Medscape. Which of these stories surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for your daily medical news update. Stay healthy. Disclaimer: the information must be verified before use. The creator, publisher, and YouTube will not be liable for any negative consequences.